studies that we've been carrying out since last year, we found out that most homes here, in Tafea, they lack mostly the technical skills in repairing and maintenance. Today, what we did is we launched a training program which will be held for 2 weeks, and we've met mostly people from all the area councils. They have come together today.
Success that we're empowering women back in the communities, because mostly women are the ones that are using all these solar things, but they don't know how to fix them. It makes me proud that we women, we also can do something. We just don't depend on the men.
My name is Yawa. I'm 27 years old and I'm a single mom. I'm from Southwest Tana. After the training, I'm hoping to become an entrepreneurship, make a business, especially in solar system operations, so that I can make money out of what the training I've attended. Yeah, 100% sure it's quite challenging, because especially for our tradition in Tana, women and girls are not allowed to take the stand or lead a team to do something, but I believe trainings from other organizations, other NGOs can help them to build the capacity and confidence so that they can take the stand. Hard, but I believe in and trust in myself that I can do it. And if I can do it, other women out there and girls can do it as well. If I can do it, then I'll be a role model to my daughter. She can do what I do better than me.
I work as a police officer. Well, have just delegated me with the important task to look after our emergency radio system that's running by solar system. Fixim Sola program is very important, because not only us police, we have that system, solar system. Tana as a whole, maybe a lot of people have solar systems, so it's very important for us to have that skills, knowledge, maybe how to use all the tools to fix our solar system.
Even though they're not well educated, but they have something to tell the community that yes, they can do this. They have been to a workshop, they have the skills, they have the hands-on. So it will uplift their morale so that they can do their best inside the communities. And hands-on is something that when you touch, you will never forget it.
Feeling great, because some of them are new to the field or the solar system. Some they don't even touch or install one solar. They just come, and we slowly work with them to learn how to install or talk to them about the thing to fix the solar especially. So now I think after the training, they went to the community or the area council, they do their best to apply all this, what they come and learn from us.
One of the main objectives of the project is to build repair hubs in the different area councils in Tafea. After the training, we'll be providing tools to each of the area councils as repair hubs, and we'll be assigning some of the trainees, rate them in their confidence, how they do during the training and everything. So we can assign them to be technicians in those repair hubs, and the tools will be in the repair hubs. And then if there's issues with solar products or solar systems, they can just contact direct to the repair hub, and then the technicians can do so it's more easier and quicker and more locally fixed.